In this video, I will tell you how to pick a profitable niche and you can easily find high ticket product in that niche. I also followed the same strategy when I selected my niche. So in this video, I will share with you 3 most popular and highly profitable niches for affiliate marketing. Also, I will tell you a trick that will eliminate all the competition in your niche. So just keep watching this video. So the 3 most popular and highly profitable niches are health, wealth and relationship. You can choose any niche in which you are interested in and you can easily find high ticket product in these 3 niches. Because people always wanted better health, want to make more money and good relationship in their life. So these niches can never be outdated. But you cannot choose any niche just like that. Because if you are going to choose any niche, let's say you choose health or wealth, then you are not able to decide your target audience because it is a very broad concept. You have to go deep into it. For that, I will tell you a trick that will eliminate all the competition in your niche and you can easily make money in that niche. If you are not going to watch this complete video, then you are not able to make money. Also, you end up selecting a wrong niche. So don't miss the video because now I am going to tell you the trick. Let's take an example. You can choose any niche you want to. It can be health, wealth and relationship. Suppose you choose wealth niche. So it's a very broad concept. You have to go deep into it. You have to choose a sub niche within your niche. I tell you how. As you know, wealth niche is related to make money online. But there are different categories in this niche. You can make money online with affiliate marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, cryptocurrency or any other way. Now you have to decide how you are going to help people with affiliate marketing or any other way. Let's say you want to help people with affiliate marketing. Now you are targeting certain group of people who are interested in affiliate marketing. So that's how you are specify your target audience. Now it's easy for you to attract your target audience. You can go more deep into it. Let's say an example. You want to help beginners who are interested in affiliate marketing. You can help homemakers to make money while at their home. You can help those people who want to leave their job and want to achieve financial freedom in their life. That's how you can target a specific audience and this will eliminate your competition also. This trick will help you to get more attention. Also, it will make you unique from others. So, always choose a sub-niche within your niche. Always sub-categorize your niche. You can go 2 or more layers deep into your niche. So, this is how you will decide your niche. Now, you know how to pick a profitable niche. your next step is to find a high ticket product. So this video reveals how to find a high ticket product that people actually want to buy. So watch this video right now.